I thought at least to until 11 o'clock maybe. Yeah, I'm going to send for his I haven't learned happy yet.
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet, yeah. Maybe next week.
We're going to be busy next weekend, so today's the only day to go. It's hard to go during the week.
Not hard for us to put here. If they want to, it's not hard to find space. You don't want to pay it up.
Maybe they didn't set up yet.
Yeah, I'm just saying that's something. Today's something local to
Let's go Bolts.
Emerging, but they're used to talking about, okay, for that because sorry.
Morning. Let's go, boys. Morning, beautiful.
Let's go, Jonathan. Hey, I heard from Marlon. I should say about
Yes, Louis. Nice. Come on, Terry. Nice. This way. Come on. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Oh no. Okay. Oh.
Cross.
Come on, Eric. Woo! Woo!
Good try, boys.
Nice try. Come on, boys.
Left footed. Good play.
Nice, Louis. Nice, Daniel. Man! Oops.
Touch, better touch.
Good job, Jonathan. Come on, boys.
And I saw Justin has kind of great.
Go red.
What happened?
Aman, not your ball. Good job, Aman. Come on, Lath. Oh no. Good job, Aman. And Lath. Come on, boys. Go, Nicholas.
It's good to see you because I'm always seeing Joel.
Yes, how you doing? Oops.
Nice crossing.
Woo! Come on!
Have it.
Oh no. Yes, come on, Lath. Lath. Oh no! You should have taken it, Lath. Come on. Daniel, your ball. Yes, Daniel. That's Lewis.
Let's go, Red.
Yes, man. Here. Yes, boys. Come on, make it happen. No, here. Here.
Release that ball, bro.
Oh. Handball.
It's gonna have to be.
Nice. Oh, come on.
Drop. Your hands, Betty was on the line, man. Okay.
Yes, Louis. Nice. Come on, guys. Yep. Go Terry, Aiden. Nice. Oops. Who's here? Coming out? Out, thank you. Okay. Good job, Terry. Good job, Ari. Nice. Good job, man. Go, Jonathan. Come on. Back here.
Position red.
Ari.
Make that pass.
Don't run away, guys.
Good job, Danielle.
No, come on, that's a corner. Hey. Take that ball. Leave him there.
Nice. Nice. Come on. Good fight, Nikki. Okay.
Alright, that's the way, Red. Let's go.
You walk past me without even saying hello. No, we weren't starting then. Oi. Oi.
I didn't want to. She likes me, but
I know, she loves you more than she does me.
no, that's not true.
Come on, guys. Come on, Red. Oops. Slam it.
Okay, sir. Set up.
Oh, my God. Ooh. Come on, guys, Red.
No foul, right? Let's get it.
Go! Good job, Louise. Come on, Eric. Come on. Oh.
Great job, Louis. Great team effort, boys. Come on. We can.
Good job, man. That's it, Louise.
Come on, Jake.
Don't run away, guys.
Move the ball. Move the ball.
Nice, Louise.
Save it, Carter, save it.
That's it. Good job.
Get that, off it.
Come on, boys.
Come
Oh!
Good try,
Oh,
good try.
nice try. Keep going, keep going. Oh, nice, Eric. Come on, Amon. Abo.
Good throw here.
Oh, see the push. Come on, Rev. Up, 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 Lath. Nice, Terry. Oh, come on to the ball.
Come on, let's go, boys. Win the ball.
Help him, Carter.
Yes, Louis. Good job, Louis. Come on.
Good try, Louis.
Nice try, boys.
Unlucky, that's okay.
Lucky Taden. Abo. Thank you.
Sam.
Aman, first the ball. That's it. What? Oh my God. Thank you. Play back. We were the 09s, not 11s. I said we were the 09s, not 11s. Get it up, boys! Yeah, good job, Kyle. I know, right, love?
Come on, Nate, go get it.
Come on, Lath!
You got it.
That's my job. Louis.
This is refreshing to watch. It's a good game.
Terry! Terry!
Reward.
Terry! That's it, Terry! Good job, boys! Come on, Louis!
That's okay. Watch our mouths. Good job, Aiden.
Well done, boys.
Good in.
Get it out. Get it out of there.
Thank you!
Come on, Red. You're playing awesome. Keep on going.
Good job, boys. Good boy, Mateo.
You guys are playing great. Let's go, Red.
Nice, Jonathan.
Come on, Jonathan. You go, Jonathan. Go, Jacob.
Yes, sorry. Nice, Jonathan.
Go, Jacob.
Nice, Ori! Oh! 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 Nice try! Oops. Who's here? Coming out? Out, thank you. Okay. Good job, Terry. Good job, Ori. Nice. Good job, man. Go, Jonathan. Come on. Back here. Ori.
Make that pass.
On the ground. Time. Don't run away, guys.
Good job, Danielle.
Come on, that's a corner. Hey. Got ball. Leave him there.
Nice. Nice. Come on. Good fight, Nikki. Okay.
That's the way, Red. Let's go.
You walk past me without even saying hello. No, we won't starting there. Oi. Oi. I know, she loves you more than she does me.
No, that's not true.
Come on, guys. Come on, Red. Oops. Slam it.
Okay, sir.
Oh, high court. Ooh. Come on, guys, Red.
Go forward, let's get it.
Go! Good job, Louise. Come on, Eric. Come on. Oh.
Great job, Louis. Great team effort, boys. Come on, we can.
Good job, man. That's it, Louise.
Come on, Jake.
Move the ball. Move the ball.
Nice, Louise.
Go, Jacob.
That's it. Good job.
Get that. Off it.
Come on, boys. Oh,
Good try,
oh,
good try.
nice try. Keep going, keep going. Oh, nice, Eric. Come on, Amon. Abo.
Good throw here.
Oh, see the push. Come on, Rev. Up, Laith. Nice, Terry. Oh, come on to the ball.
Come on, let's go, boys. Win that ball.
Help him, Carter.
Yes, Louise. Good job, Louise. Come on.
Good try, Louis.
Nice try, boys.
Unlucky, that's okay.
Lucky Taden. Abo. Thank you. Aman, first the ball. That's it. What? Oh my God. Thank you. Play back. We were the 09s, not 11s. I said we were the other 09s, not 11s. Get it up, boys! Yeah, good job, Kyle. I know, right, love?
Come on, Leith, go get it.
Come on, Leith!
You got it.
This is my job. Louise. Terry! 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 That's it, Terry! Good job, boys! Come on, Louise!
That's okay. Watch our mouths. Good job, Aiden.
Well done, boys.
Good in.
Get it out. Get it out of there.
Thank you!
Come on, Red. You're playing awesome. Keep
boy, Mateo.
You guys are playing great. Let's go, Red.
Nice, Jonathan.
Come on, Jonathan. You go, Jonathan. Go, Jacob.
Yes, sorry. Nice, Jonathan.
Go, Jacob. Go.
Nice, sorry. Oh, oh, oh! Nice try.
Good setup. Good setup, boys.
Nice, Jonathan. Good job. Come on, Leith. Oh, nice. Okay.
How did I know what I said?
The only person who can say that is Mom.
Come on, Nick.
Open up for him. Open up, guys. We're standing here. Open up.
Come on, Nick. Come on, guys. Yes, Aiden.
I love when he has the ball. I love when he has the ball. He can like play in the phone booth and get people.
Boys.
Man!
Boys, let's go.
Good job.
Red.
Wide.
Let's go, Red. Great ball. Let's go, Red.
Nice, Eric.
Let's go. That's it. Come on.
Daniel, your ball. Easy, easy, easy.
Come on, take a goal. Let's go.
Eric, nice. Well played, boys. Nice. Woo! Uh-oh.
There you go, boys. Chance here. Come on, take good
This is our
charge.
chance, boys.
Okay, it's time.
Relax.
Yes.
Get this
Strong,
done.
Noah. Be strong.
Get this done, Red. You can do
Ask
it.
for yards.
Come on. You can do this, Red.
Can we change his number?
Be on your toes.
Exactly. Good. Yards, yeah. Let's go, Red.
Let's go.
Coming, Red, stay aggressive.
Oh, gosh. Who's there?
Mark up. Mark up.
Yeah, I love it. The last game I watched, I said, they have it together, man. They have it together. They come in.
Come on, boys. Eric.
Follow through, Oren. Stay with him.
Kyle.
A couple times they're playing pretty strong in the ball.
Let's go, real quickly. First it up.
Nice. Good job.
Good job, boys. Nice passing. Great ball, Jake.
Eric.
Great ball. Great idea.
Red ball.
Cross it.
Nice, Eric. Send it. Where's that? Oh, Aman. Oh, Daniel.
Come on.
Good job. Aman, you. Oh,
Time, Frank. Time, Frank. Run away, Rick. Go two up.
nice, Nikki. Oh, out.
Help him.
No foul, boys. Let's win that ball back. No foul. Win it back.
Yes, Terry. What? What was that?
Why?
Come on, bro.
Why?
Saying what we have this all these things in like
You just have to wait for the whistle.
It's all right, Paul.
Chill, Paul. Okay,
He pulled his shirt, he said.
Do better, Rev.
That's Eddie. He's got a point here. That's Eddie.
Good job, Kyle.
Mateo. That's it. Just stay. Like up a man, that's all. There we go. Great putt. Open seat.
Aiden, your ball! Nice.
Simple.
It's it, Leith.
Go, Red.
Jonathan is open here.
Nice.
Oh,
Go get it. Come on, Armand. Save it.
no.
You can do it, Red. Keep working hard.
Be ready. You'll be ready.
Okay, mark somebody up, Red. Be first to that ball, Red.
Give it away.
Great job,
Come on, Ray.
Red.
Eric!
1v1, come on. Right now.
Boy, Frank, time.
Up! Yes, Terry. Yes.
Attaboy, Daniel.
Oh! Oops, pull. Protect Eric! Nice. Eric, there's Eric.
Come on, let's go. Don't give it away cheaply.
Oh, nice try.
Good job! They both went for the ball though.
Aiden and yeah, they both went for the ball. They got clashed together.
If you need it, get some water if you need it.
Clap. I'm looking for courage.
Yeah, I'm an 09 parent. My kid name is J-Cat.
What a break, guys. You were hiding under the brolly. Yes.
Red.
Let's go. Yes. Nice.
Come on, Mateo.
Ooh. Go King. Okay. Nice, Eric.
Good ground control.
Good job, Eric.
Control that ball, Red.
Let's go, Red.
Nice, Terry. Nice, Jonathan. On him. Yes, I'm on. The other side. King. Release now. Okay. Oh.
That's it, Eric.
Send it. Who's there? Oh! Oh my gosh. Unlucky. Well played, boys. Come on. Ah!
Keep working hard, boys. You're right.
Aiden.
Boys, do not give up. Keep working.
Yes, Aiden.
Go, J-Cap.
Nice. Whoa, good job. Here. Nice. Nicholas is open.
Have at it next time, Eric.
Yep. King.
Don't be shy.
Out. Red ball. Oh, it's still in. Still in. Nice.
Find somebody.
Oh. Come on, Nikki.
You guys have to do a better job up front. Let's execute better.
Come on, boys.
Let's go, Red. Aman. Good job. Nikki. Don't let him get in front of you, love. Yes, Lewis. Nice. Oh.
Bring it down control, boys. Bring it down control.
Talk to each other. You're doing amazing.
Daniel. Good job. Aman, your ball.
Man on, hurry, man on.
Out. Oops, out.
Stay tight, guys. Come on.
Come on, keep it up, boys.
Yeah.
Just need to finish one in the net. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up, boys.
Nice. Good job. Go, Nikki.
Smart save.
Nah. No, it's okay. Yep. Oh.
Okay, first to the ball, Red. Watch that ball. First to that ball. Stay confident. First to that ball. Well done.
Yes, Eric. Ari.
There it is.
Woo.
Blast it,
Boy, Harry.
Guys, be aggressive, guys.
Come on, boys.
Come on, Red Bull.
I'm scared up front. Like, they're pushing us around.
Who's that?
You got time.
Come on, Terry. Yes, Daniel.
Done. Daniel.
Open up, guys. Not man.
Get out of danger. Out of danger.
Nice. Come on, boys. Get it out of there.
Out of there. Come on, let's go, Daniel.
Kyle. Yep, send it. Aman. That's it. King. Go, Nikki. Go, Nikki. Yes, King. Who is here?
Good cut back.
Boy, Gabe.
Force.
What is that? Nikki, come on, you can take him.
Come on, Red.
Come on, give away here. Let's go. I was watching you play.
Go, counter, boys.
Come on, Noah.
Terry. Good job. Nikki.
Pass, Nikki. Come on, Rory.
Come on, release it. Yeah.
No.
Good try.
Let's go, Red is coming, Red. Stay aggressive.
Oh my God.
Who's gonna tell him? We all gonna
Oh,
yell at him from here?
Eddie, Eden. Yes, Lewis.
There was.
Nice. Oh.
Let's go, Massimo.
Come on, Aman. Yes, Jonathan. Kyle. Good.
Just mark up, guys. Just mark up. Just mark up.
Go, King.
No, but you know that
Out.
every time I've tried and they don't do it. If the things are broken,
Oh, we'll jump in there.
Let's force the Red.
blast it from there, guys.
Oh no. Nice try though.
Good. Keep doing that. Yeah, it's good play. It's quick, right?
Lewis. Terry. Yep. Kyle, that's it. Good job, boys. Good job, Red.
Flick that on for the run on.
Eric, show him. Show him.
Cut, boys. That's it.
Lots of space in front of you.
There we go. Now get there.
Yes, Said Aman. Woo, come on. Nice, Terry.
Go, turn and go, turn and go.
Yes, Ori. Go, Eric. Oh no. Nice try. Aman. Yes, Aman. Yep.
Nikki, stay with him, Nikki.
Nice, sorry. Nice, sorry. Nice, sorry.
Okay.
Kick, release. Oh,
We have to release Red.
honestly, come on.
Time, Carter. Time.
Up there, man.
Messi. Follow Messi. Follow Messi.
Yes, Lewis.
Good boy, Carter.
Hey, guys. Okay, let's go. Counter.
Nice. Don't lose it. Keep it, keep it. Come on, Nikki. Yep. Let's go, Red. Come on, guys.
In the box, Aiden.
Eric.
In the box. In the box.
Nice, Lewis.
Right away.
Just hold them there.
Out, 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 out. It was out.
Okay, stay aggressive, boys.
I want to know, which team are you on?
It doesn't matter. It was. If I didn't say.
Stay
Yeah,
aggressive, Red.
yeah it was. Yeah. I know, love. Okay, thank you. Red ball.
Fair, 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 fair.
Red ball. What?
That's the rules. That's one rule they need to change in soccer. It's a dumb rule. It really is.
Wow.
Guys, we gotta move, guys.
Out again. Thank you. It's up. Thank you.
Stay firm, Red. Got this, Red.
Mark up, guys.
All right, here we go, Red. Here we go.
Mama, you got this,
Go,
Red.
Daniel.
Pick up a man.
Let's get to dancing, Red.
That's it, Messi. That's it, Messi.
Stay with them.
Come on,
Everybody
stay
stay
on
with
your
their men.
toes. Stay on your toes, Red.
Nikki.
Get to dancing, Red.
Nice. Ori.
Move those hips. Let's go. Yes, yes. Let's go to dancing. Come on.
Aiden. That's it.
Nice pass, Terry.
Come on, let's go, Lewis.
Have it!
Come on, Lewis.
Step up.
Nikki. Oh no. Well played, Lewis. Oh my God, that was good. Huh?
Coming, Red. It's coming, Red.
Very unselfish play by Lewis.
Hmm?
Very unselfish play by
Oh
Lewis.
yeah.
Because he's right in the middle.
Yeah, he ran in the middle. He could have had it, but yeah.
Pass too.
Ah, ah.
Master, get ready,
All right, get it back, Red.
Come on, keep it up, Red.
Start
Face that ball.
Start running.
Oh. Aman.
That ball.
Oh God, too much. Okay, Eric. Oh no, white ball. Come on, guys.
Pin him. Let's go. Pin him here.
Keep the ball up there, Red. Come on. Back in.
Nice, man.
Back in the
Nice, Lewis. Boys, come on. Get there.
All they're doing is kick and chase. Let's go.
Head to it. Yes. Go, Massimo.
Come on, don't let it get icy over there. Clear that ball.
Yes.
Go there, buddy.
Good job, Daniel.
Good, Daniel.
You gotta call that one off, eh? That's easy.
Get in there, Massimo.
Don't be fearful of those height boys. Let's go. We can do this. Sam,
Yeah.
Back to him.
get it out of there.
Corner. Oh, good.
It's Jen Sloan, a red card. 2-game suspension. It's Jen.
Oh, the last time.
You got him, yeah, but it always takes a minute.
Send it. There you go.
Oh, yeah, the
King,
last
Ari.
Hill game.
Oh, come on, boys. Kyle, send it to Kyle. Good job.
Come here, Eric. Come on, right here.
No, not Daniel. He's on him. Nice.
Running up the skates and call for it.
Man! Nice. Nice, Aiden. King, here! Face here! A man, exactly. Have it? Oh, God! Come on, have it! There's no harm in shooting.
Good game. No.
Fall them behind the mess. There it is, see?
Give it to go, Massimo.
Up, Luis.
Hey, Frank.
Nice, Jonathan. Man.
Come on, release the ball. Release
Jones, good job.
Oh.
Keeper.
Nah. Come on.
Okay, guys, get in position. Let's go. Go.
Coach is going to lose it in his half.
out of the net, man. Come on, don't be shy.
Get under it, get under it, Jason.
boys.
All right, Terry, way to go, right?
Give it.
Yes, Daniel.
Daniel.
Nice play.
Eric. Man. Oops.
Get there. Come on, play the ball.
No. Thank you, Rev. Is he okay?
Are you okay?
Clap, clap, clap.
Yeah, it's a little thing.
All right, come on, Red. Don't rush.
It's overdue. It's overdue.
What happened to you? Shake it off. It's all in your head, Jacob. Shake it off.
Massage your.
Keep going.
Ooh. Ooh.
To the cross.
He didn't. Nice.
Stay with 8, Massimo.
Yeah, take it now. Now.
Ooh, come on, Eric. Oh, this ball refused to go in.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Stay with them, Jason.
Nice. Oh, my goodness.
Come on, Red.
Send it.
Group, pick up a man.
Nice.
There's guys that are open. Pick up a man.
23.
Nice. Man. Good job. Oh.
Switch the play.
Yes, King. Yes, Daniel. Eric.
Go.
Come on.
Keep going. Let's go.
Up.
Go with that ball. Let's go.
Kyle. Good job. Push. Stop pushing, Ari.
Come on, you got a rough house, boys. Let's go.
Nice. Good job. Keep it. Nice. Oh.
Hey, slip.
Nice call, Ref.
Nobody touches it, though. It's slip. It's literally slip. Nobody touches.
That's the way to be
got it.
aggressive, Red. Keep going. It's coming.
Red, yeah.
Keep coming. Play strong.
Go, Terry.
Play strong, boys.
Oh no. Too much. Come on, boys. Oh, come on.
Come on, Red.
Good job.
Stay with them, Mass.
Woo!
Terry.
Come on.
Woo!
Good job, boys. Good job.
It's okay, Red. It's coming.
Luis. Ari and Nikki. Good job. on!
Come on, Red.
Go, Aiden! Nice! Good job, Aiden!
Well done, Aiden. Come on, stay with them.
Good job, Kyle! Terry, well done for blocking.
You're playing really, really well. You just need to score, man. Come on. You got this, Red. Keep going, Red. Don't give up, Red. Come on. Don't keep going. Help her out. Finish it for kids.
Who's there?
Take it out. Come on.
Nice, Daniel!
Finish it.
Nice, Daniel!
Stay with the Massimo.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you, Red.
Love football.
Awesome.
Good job, Daniel.
It's Daniel! Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, good job, loves.
Well done, boys.
Let's go, Armand.
You okay, Terry?
You gotta be okay. Slip into. Oh no. Come on, Red. We can do this. Stay focused.
Stay with them, Dom.
Oh, nice try.
Good job.
Nice turn. Take the ball.
Give it to them. You gotta help them, though. You gotta help them.
Cross it over now.
Eric is here!
Massimo.
Send it, Eric!
Send it now.
Oh,
Back in there, Daniel.
Go, Carter. Look at Massey.
Time, Massey.
Time. Best your time, Bello.
man! Nice!
Good job, boys. Good job.
Yes, Luis! Nice!
Under pressure, you have to release. Number 8. Go, worry.
I lost it. It's okay.
Go, ease up, Red. And
Tuck in the bit, Massey. Tuck in the bit.
Come on, guys. Gotta hang on that ball.
Good job, Kyle! Good job, Terry! Come on, Red!
Come on, guys. Go, turn, go.
Good job.
Yep.
Why did they do that?
Let's go, Red. Talk, Red.
Get in there, Bello. Come on, boys. You know it's gonna go. Get in there.
Yes, Luis.
Release the ball. Release.
Gotta get back, guys.
Early release.
Come on, Ori.
Come on. Let's score now. Don't wait.
Open Massey.
Yes, Luis. Come on, boys.
Go, Massey.
Nice, Daniel. Yes, Daniel.
Get in there, boys.
Nice, Daniel. Oops. Thank you. Here. How are you, love? Good, thanks. Let's go, Red. Come on. Come on, Nikki. Yes.
Help him out there, guys.
Woo.
Good job.
Good job, Red.
Good hustling, you guys. Herman. Herman.
Hey, is it off?